8 research dilemmas and how to avoid them. Easy tricks to ace your research. Hello, my brainies. Today's video is on tricks of doing research studies with simple steps. Press the like and subscribe button to know more about tricks and tips for doing research. Step 1. How to choose a good research topic. Check what is trending, especially on case studies. Case studies tell a lot about what is happening worldwide and give you a fair topic to deal with. Case studies also give you an idea of applying the situational analysis to a different region other than the published one. Collaborate with your colleague for your research to find out if some new idea or proposition emerges. Step number 2. How to start writing. Writing is hard, so let's start scribbling. Diary is boring, so let's start writing ideas in mobile's notes application. Read the paper and try to write whatever you understood in your own words. Step number 3. What research method is easy? The most easy research method is going for an exploratory method which gives you more liberty. The descriptive method also gives diversification in research. Going for quantitative method brings more justice to your research work. Step number 4. Which journal to prefer? The internationally listed journals like in Scopus or Web of Science, they add more value to a researcher's work. The published papers got internationally acclaim. Scopus or Web of Science listed journals give more credibility. The national listed journals, also known as in a UGC CARE listed journals, are authentic. University and colleges approve national listed journals. Research work is credible by publishing in UGC CARE. Step number 5. How to find an appealing topic. It could be done by following a trick formula. The formula is to use a latest keyword search tool like Google Trends, select 10 latest keywords. Search each 10 keywords with your subject area. For example, my subject area is tourism and the latest one of the latest keyword I found is sustainability. So let's search tourism sustainability. Read the related papers of tourism sustainability. 95% chances are that the relevant topic is less explored, giving you more freedom and opportunity to think out of the box. Step number 6. The common mistakes leading to plagiarism. 3 out of 5 researchers quote directly from published articles or papers, even if you are mentioning author's name, which can be improved by reframing of sentences that is already written in published papers. 95% of research work does not offer innovative and unique topic to the already said concepts or research works. Connecting dots. Research works often fail in connecting proper dots on what they are proposing and creates confusion in the minds of editors. Step number 7. Do you need to include others as a co-author? Getting collaborated with co-authors means group discussion and elaboration of your perspective. Co-authors will help you in covering subtopics of the research work. Together, co-authors can come up with unique ideas that may not seem feasible earlier. Step number 8. The time duration of writing a research paper. If you are going to write a research paper, you have to start with writing an abstract. The abstract would take around 1 month for developing the concept of what researcher is going to do. After getting accepted, you have to develop your research plan on how you are going to proceed, which would take another 1 month. After developing a research plan, you have to prepare questionnaire and start collecting data, which would take another 1 month. After collecting the data, you have to write literature review, introduction, research methodology, data interpretation, data analysis, result, and conclusion. So it would take another 2 months assembling all the written materials. So overall, in total, you will get around 5 to 6 months to write and complete a research paper. Follow these steps and your research journey will start with ease. Stay updated with tricks in research studies. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.